Hello, this is GVM, Gundam vs. Macross, and this is my unboxing of the JMS Spartan Black Dog's color, or the black GM Spartan, basically. Uh, Here's the manual, and from and since I've built GM Sniper 2 kit before, the Sniper 2 and the K9, I'm reminded of the similarities, but it's mainly the polycaps. Like, the best, so the best example that I could find is a similarity with the joints and how the arms are made. But at the same time, this is way better than the Sniper 2, which, as great as those kits were, I'm not sure if anyone else had that problem, but my copies had bad hand polycaps. So they were very loose, but the build itself wasn't. And I noticed that the legs are almost similar. Yeah, more or less similar. But the waist unit, yeah, this is new, very new. Then here are the weapons. There's the backpack. Whatever this part is. It's just a connection piece. I wonder if it could connect with I hope this is 3mm peg compatible. Good to know. This is a universal backpack. The combat knife that can sheathe its blade. Usually we don't get that, but here we do. And I think 4 beam sabers. That's a lot of beam sabers. Let's see. Yeah, and then there's I believe this is the Gatling rifle, or something like that. So yeah, that was the manual. Here is the smaller runner bag. These are... Oh, I did not realize we get stickers. This is the D runner, and I believe this is, yeah, for the legs, and this is for the arms. Upper arms at that. The cockpit. The sensor and the head sensor, the face sensor, and okay, this is one of a few things I really like about certain kits. Blue beam sabers. Now I do have some from the G-Witch line, the Witch from Mercury kits, but I love it when I see these blue beams. They're so different, just like the purple beams. This is the C2 runner, which is frames, polycaps that I hope aren't very loose. And there's the sticker sheet, and I might use the sensors, but not this crotch sticker. And there's the next bag. Oh, I'm excited for this. I'm so excited for this. This is the A runner, which is most of the backpack, the body, the side armor shield, the head. I'm very excited. Wow. And then there's the B2 runner, which I take it back. This is not the same as the GM Sniper 2 runner. It's similar, but no, this is better than that. I feel kind of sad they didn't redo the GM Sniper 2, but at least it's better than this, than that. And then yeah, these parts are direct copies, and there's the front and back skirt armor. Sorry. There's the side skirt armor, the arms, the shoulder, hand, beam sabers, legs and feet, and the ammo. And then here's the handle for the combat knife, the connection with the backpack and the sheath. And then this is the A runner, which is for the chest, for the neck. I believe these are for the front feet, the lower. Oh, sorry, something just fell off. I need to retrieve it. Oh, dang. It's gone now. But it was the one that was protecting this. This is the water slide decals, which is way too close for my opinion, but not that bad. And finally, the final bag, which I'm still excited for. Why? Why am I excited? It's quite simple. We get 2 heads. Yeah, my friends. We get 2 A runners. One slightly different color from the other. This is more dark, and this is not as dark. But it's the same. It's the same frame. So you get 2 heads from these, my friends. And with different Titan's color and the GM color runners for the sensors. And then there's the C1. Yeah, this is the runner from the GM Sniper 2. And then here is the so yeah, you do get 2 additional A runners. It's different colors. And then here's the new frame runner for the weapons, the blade, joints, the new hand connection, and dual trigger finger hands, which is nice, and the new waist. So yeah, this is GVM on my review, my unboxing of the Spartan JMS bootleg Black Dog's color version. And let's just put them all here. And you know what? I'm gonna include the Snow White, because, well, they're almost the same anyways. Plus a single video of just so this is the manual for the Snow White version. Sorry, I'm a bit limited with my camera right now. And this is the extra weapons you get from the Saku the Origin runner. the one with the hands, bazooka, and sniper rifle. So it's basically the same kit as the Black Dog's one, but it has an extra number of parts. Actually, this has a lot more parts, I believe. So let's start. Let's open them all up. I have to be careful with that. Okay, here's the stickers. Same stickers, I believe. Yeah, same. There's the C2 runner, A runner. Again, blue beam sabers. A blue sensor attachment, and oh, you get a smoky black one. That's kind of nice. And then there's a C1 runner, which is different from the, and oh boy, just look at this. There's more than the other one. And I'm not sure. Did the Black Dog come with this? Nope. Yeah, as you can see, we do get a stand here, which, oh, there's a part that just went off. I have to be careful then. There we go. So yeah, I have to be careful because there's a part that just popped off. That happens because it's a bootleg. I mean, sometimes Bandai ones do also get that treatment, but I'll be more careful here because right. I was saving these Tupperwares for my new kits, so I'll just put this on the Snow White Tupperware for now, for safekeeping. Here's the A runner. It's in a light gray. The B runner, pure white, and the E runner. Yeah, I believe the part that detached came from here. And then there's the, hold on, this is the same, yeah, the same, same water slide as the Black Dog ones. I'm gonna put the stickers in the water slides on the Tupperware for safekeeping, and then you get this. Then the standard stands you get lately from Bandai as well. Don't know if this will really be effective, but there's the B runner in all its glory, and I am enjoying the fact that so many beam sabers. I love it when I don't have to detach two beam sabers. It gets annoying, you know. And then this is the last runner. Yeah. Gotta be careful. Yeah, fine. Here's the cockpit. A runner. There's so many A runners. And so yeah, you get two of the same runner again, but one's in white and one's in light gray, so you can mix and match. Sadly, you don't. Hold on, I just noticed something. So we get two E runners. My friends, you get a lot of stuff from the Snow White kit. I haven't even showed off the Saku weapons. This is the D runner for the legs. Oh man, I was also going to buy the White Dingo and the GM Sniper 2 color variants of the bootleg GM Spartans. Not the original green one. I'm waiting for the AK version to come out. If I mean available, that is. I know it's already out. But you get 2 ear runners, so that means you get potentially 2 machine Gatling rifles, but you do get 2 blade. Yeah. So from what I can tell from the runners alone, you get 2 combat blades, but there's only 1 sheath. So yeah, but mix and match parts. But you do get some frame parts for the torso. So gunplay is freedom, my friends. Even if this is a bootleg. And here again is the polycap that I have zero idea of if it will actually be worth it. I do have a lot of polycaps though. And this is the Saku Origin weapon and frame hand runners. And yeah, the only thing that I find funny about this is you still get thrusters, the neck guard piece, and the missile. So even though I can't put this on the Snow White, so I'm actually aiming for this. Now, another reason I got the Snow White kit color is for referencing the Nikkei Snow White. So yeah, let's put this back in. I'm likely to build this as soon as this video is done, because it's easier to what's the term I'm looking for? Sand down white parts. But yeah, you get a lot of stuff here. So this was my unboxing of the JMS GM Spartans Black Dog and Snow White colors. My recommendation, before we even get to the kit review within the week, order it. Heck, get as many colors. Mix and match them. This is GVM signing off.